everyone. As most of you know me, I am Devushri and I work in the capacity of EA to Chairman's office. I've joined Jackson in 2019 and since then my journey have been very interesting, motivated and filled with new learnings. I am Bengali, born and brought up in Delhi and a full Delhiite at heart and deeply rooted to my culture. Born in a nuclear family, have two sisters and was always encouraged and allowed to follow my dreams and become independent. My mom would always tell the three of us that we are her sons and she is always proud of us. I'm married and live in a joint family with loving in-laws, understanding and supporting husband who have been my pillar and support now and always, and a very smart and humble and intelligent son. And they are my backbone now and my strength, and I owe all of this to them. We as a family are very bonded and I love spending our small moments together. We love traveling, partying, watching movies, making videos, and photography is our favorite pastime. I strongly believe that we should live in the moment. This quality I have opted from my better half. YOLO is the mantra. You only live once. Talking about my professional life, before joining Jackson, I was with media industry for more than 10 years. Now, almost after 2 years, I feel very happy to be part of the energy industry. I still remember the day when I first met our chairman sir, the most humble gem of a person, very approachable and always smiling. Boss told me, Devushri, I just want a long-term relationship. This is a single sentence, but has a very deep meaning if we understand. This shows how he values Jackson's core purpose and care for team and people. Hardworking and devoted employees are valued here. Since the day, with his guidance and support, I have tried to give my best at work. Being emotionally intelligent for a personal assistant or executive assistant does not mean to be polite and friendly at all the time to people. It means to show strength and any strategic and challenging moments that may occur. Now talking about the energy industry, energy is very important for economic development and I strongly believe supporting nation in implementing policies that promote cleaner forms of energy can lead us to a more sustainable development path. Energy sector is the main driving force behind India's phenomenal growth. For economic growth and to replace the aging skill majority of the population required to join this workforce. I am proud Jacksonite and feel a part of the workforce and contributing my bit for a cleaner and greener India.